Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm at Walgreens to do the deals for November 15th through November 21st. On my account, I got a $5 off of 20 store purchase, and on my husband's account, I got a $5 off of $10 purchase. So I'm going to do a couple of transactions. I am starting this week off with no rewards, no register rewards, no points. So I'm just going to roll points and register rewards and try to get some good stuff. So the first two I'm going to grab are two of the Nexus. This week it is spend 20, get $10 Walgreens cash reward. These are priced at $14.99. I'm going to grab two for $29.98. I have this $5 off of one that I printed from coupons.com and a $5 off of one digital. And then I also have this 25% off that's going to take off $7.49. So after this comes off of the $29.98, that's going to leave me to pay $22.49. After the two $5 off of one, that's going to bring it down to $12.49. And then I'll get the $10 Walgreens cash back. In my first transaction, I'm also going to pick up this deal this week. You get a $2 register reward when you buy two or more Axe, Dove, or Degree products. Always scan your products in the store to make sure they attach to your digital coupons, because sometimes some scents don't attach. I'm going to pick up two of these for $10. I have a $3 off of one digital and a $3 off of one manufacturer coupon that came in today's paper. That's going to leave me to pay $4 for both, and I'll get back a $2 register reward, making them $1 each. A little freebie deal this week, these small Mentos are buy one for 99 cents, and then you get back a 99-cent register reward. So I'm going to add this into my first transaction. So this is going to be my first transaction. After my 5 off of 20, my 25% off the Nexus, and then my manufacturer coupons, I'll be left to pay $12.48 out of pocket. I will pay that cash or debit because I don't have any rewards. I'll get back a $10 cash register reward for the Nexus, a 99-cent register reward for the Mentos, and a $2 register reward for the Dove. So I did the first transaction. There's the Mentos, the Dove, the Nexus, $29.98. The 25% took off $7.50. My 25% off of purchase kicked the 5 off of 20. So instead of my subtotal being $12.47 like I planned it to be, it was $17.47. But my manufacturer coupons and my digital coupons did come off. I got back the 10,000 points down here, and I did get back the 99-cent register reward for the Mentos and the $2 register reward for the Dove. In my second transaction, I'm going to pick up 3 of these complete home sandwich bags. This week they're buy one, get 2 free for $2.79, making them 93 cents each. I'm also going to pick up another Mentos at 99 cents and get the 99-cent register reward back. The last 2 items I'm going to pick up in the second transaction. This week, the Scott toilet paper and the paper towels are always $5, but we have an IVC for $1.25. So I'm going to pick up 2 for $10. The IVC is going to take off $2.50, leave me at $7.50, and then I have a $2 off of 2. That's going to leave me to pay $5.50 for both. This is everything I'm going to pick up in my second transaction. My total will be $13.48. The $2.50 for the IVC will come off, and hopefully the $2 digital will. I scanned the item, but it didn't pop up, so I don't know if it's going to attach. But if it does, I'll be left to pay $9.28 plus tax. I will roll the 10,000 points or $10 cash rewards that I got in the first transaction, and hopefully just pay tax for this one. In my second transaction, there are the nice bags, buy one, get 2 free for $2.79, then the Mentos at 99 cents, the Scott 2 for $10. I did click the $1.25 IVC, but it did not attach, so I did have to scan the booklet. My subtotal was $11.28, $12.45 with tax. I rolled the 10,000 points from the first transaction. I paid the $2.45 out of pocket, and I did get back the other 99-cent register reward for the other Mentos that I picked up. I'm going to do the deals on my husband's account now. I'm going to grab 2 more of the Nexus for $14.99. When you spend $20, you get the $10 Walgreens cash reward. It's going to bring me to $29.98. I'm going to use this 25% off. It's going to take off $7.49. And then a paper 5 off of one that I printed from coupons.com. And I also have a $5 off of one digital. That's going to leave me to pay $12.49. And then I'll get back the $10 Walgreens cash reward, making it $2.49 for both. Items in the second transaction. I'm going to pick up 3 of these Crest 3D Whites for $5.99. That's going to bring me to $11.97. I have a $5 digital that's going to come off. It's going to leave me to pay $6.97. I'll get back a $5 register reward, making the final cost for all 3 $1.97. Last and final deal I'm going to do is the Gain products. This week they're buy 3, get 1 free. They're priced at $4.99. I'm going to pick up 4 for $14.97. I have $1 digital for one of the Gain fireworks and $1 digital for the flings. That's going to bring me down to $12.97. Then I'm going to roll the $5 register reward I got from the Crest and the 99-cent register reward I got from the Mentos. I'm also going to roll 5,000 in points or my Walgreens cash. I'll be left to pay $1.98 for all 4 products. I'm picking up the Gain because I did spend more out of pocket today. Gain bundles typically sell like within the same day that I post them, so I'll put a Gain bundle together when I get home, sell it for about $25 and make all my money back. But I'm not including that in the deal. I'm just letting you guys know that I'm picking these up because I did spend more out of pocket today than I actually wanted to. And actually $1.98 is not bad after I roll points and register rewards. Here's a receipt for the first transaction. It's the Mentos, the 2 Nexus, and the Dove products. So the Mentos were 99 cents, the Dove were 2 for $10, and the Nexus were priced at $14.99 each, which brought me to $29.98. I used that 25% off purchase, took off $7.50. On this one, I had a 5 off of $20 purchase that was kicked when the paper store coupon got scanned, so that 5 off of 20 didn't come off. I used a $3 off of Dove deodorant manufacturer coupon, a Nexus paper coupon, and then I had a Dove and a Nexus digital coupon. My Nexus paper coupon wasn't scanning, so he just put that in. That is what that $5 is for. So I intended my subtotal to be $12.47, but since that $5 didn't come off, it was $17.47 plus tax. I did actually pay this out of pocket, $20.41, which is really high for me. Total was $17.47. I got back $12.99 in points and register rewards, which made these 5 items $4.48. When I got my $5 my Walgreens cash reward back from customer service, that made the final cost for these items a 52-cent moneymaker. Second transaction, which was the freezer bags, the toilet paper, and the Mentos. The sandwich bags were buy one get 2 free at $2.79. The Mentos was 99 cents, and the Scott was 2 for $10. That is my IVC that came off. The 2 off of 2 digital did not come off, so my subtotal was $11.28 plus tax. I rolled 10,000 points for my first transaction. I paid the $128 plus tax out of pocket. I only got back the 99-cent register reward for the Mentos, and then when I got back, I contacted customer service, and they did give me back the $2 for the digital not coming off of the Scott tissue. Next transaction was the Crest. I told you guys in the video I was going to pair it with the Nexus, but the 25% off paper store coupon did not stack with the digital store coupon, so I just split up the transactions. I picked up 3 of the Crest at $11.97. 5 off of 10 came off. The 5 off of 3 digital came off. I paid $1.97 plus tax. I rolled the dollar in rewards, so I only paid 97 cents plus tax out of pocket. That made this a $3.03 moneymaker after I got that $5 register reward back. Next transaction was the 2 Nexus. I picked up 2 at $14.99. It brought my total to $29.98. I used a 25% off, took off $7.50. I had the digital 5 off of 1 and a manufacturer printable from coupons.com. That brought my total down to $12.48 plus tax. I did pay that on my debit card. And then on this transaction, I had a 5,000 points when you spend 20 printout from the Catalina machine. And after my store coupon, my purchase was still over $20. And since I did pay that out of pocket, I got the 10,000 for spending 20 and the 5,000 for spending 20, making these items a $2.52 moneymaker on my subtotal and a 50-cent moneymaker after my tax. Last transaction was the Gain. This week they're buy 3 get 1 free, priced at $4.99. So I picked up 4 for $14.97. I told you guys I had 2 digital coupons on my app in the video. Neither of those came off, but I did roll a $5 register reward from the Crest and the 99-cent register reward from the Mentos. That brought me to an $8.98 subtotal, $10.33 with tax. So I rolled 10,000 points and paid 33 cents out of pocket. I did not get anything back for this transaction. I did contact customer service again when I got home, and they did give me back the $2 my Walgreens cash for those 2 digitals that did not come off of this transaction. So you guys, final cost for everything, all of my subtotals was a total of $32.20, which is a lot more than I would like to spend. Like I mentioned, I got back $9 from customer service. I got back the $5 for the 5 off of 20. I got back the $2 for the 2 off of 2. And then I got back the $1 for each digital that didn't come off of the gain. I got back 25 cents on Ibotta for the Scott toilet paper. And then I am ending with $4 more in my Walgreens cash than what I started with. So that brings my final total to $18.95 for all 20 items, or about 93 cents each. After my tax, it was $26.81. That is so much. So much. I kind of have like buyer's remorse, like maybe I should have skipped Walgreens this week. But I am going to put together a gain bundle and post it online to sell it. So hopefully I'll get all my money back that I spent out of pocket, and I would still have gotten some toilet paper and some other household items out of it. That does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments what you plan to get from Walgreens this week, or what's your favorite deal is going on. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.